Aradhna Tiwari, Be the Change from Be the Change by Aradhna, and Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator, and your friend to take today's question. Looking forward to have you all here. Waiting. Hello, Mesh. Good morning. Good morning, India. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Sonia. Hello, Monica, Yogi Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Hi, Asta. Hi, Sarvina. Good morning, Payal. Hello, my beautiful beings, my beautiful friends. So, what's up? What truth do you know that you are not living, guys? Thanks, Maddie. Good morning, beautiful smiley face. So, what truth do you know that you are not living? Hi, Reshma. Welcome. So, guys, come on, take out your secrets today. Hi, Kavita. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. Good morning, gorgeous. Asta to you as well. Thanks for saying so. So, what truth? I just want to know your truth today because this is like such a question, and I'm like literally into questions this morning. What truth do you know that you're not living? For me, it was finding that my truth was like, what if I know that the life is a lie? Everything is a lie, and I so know it, and still I don't like kind of acknowledge it. Hi, Alka. Good morning. Hello, Avinash. Welcome to the space. Vijay. Good morning. Janvi. Good morning. You know, it's so nice to see you all and say good morning to you all. Kuch aur karu na karu. Whatever I do or not, but it's so much fun to say hi to you guys. It is so beautiful. Thank you all. Thank you all for coming in, joining me every morning here. So come on, let me know. Come on, type it up. Today it's a interactive thing. Let's just do it. What truth do you know that you're not living? Come on. I am capable of many things but I underestimate myself. Awesome. You're doing great job, Maddie. I mean, I love that I know it, but I still want to choose it. And that's from the total space of choice. Hi, Poonam. Good morning, sweetheart. So it's like I underestimate for what reason and how is it helping and how is it helping us, Maddie? So you have to... Maddie, is that your name, Maddie? Or do you have another name? Is it Manish? I guess. But please correct me if I'm wrong. Most wonderful time of the day for me. Oh, Mesh, you're so kind. Which just says oneness. Truth I know is that I'm complete and still I fail to accept it. Wow. Thanks, Asa. But can you see that at least you could acknowledge that? And this is really bringing up a lot of stuff for me too. Like, you know, I know this is lie. I know this. I said, okay, what do I do with this knowing? I remember long back, Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator and the co-founder, Dane, said this to me. And I'm like, you know, I know everything. Like, what do I do with your knowing? I'm not like, I do not know what you know. So are you willing to be out loud with your truth, or are you going to hold it for yourself? Hi, Simran. Good morning. Okay, I'm correct. So it's Manish. Awesome. So Manish, you wanted to be you want to date me, right? That's what you did on the interesting point of view. That's a really interesting point of view. And what else is possible? I was happy to see that. Somebody wants to date me too. My God, how did I get so lucky? So Payal says, not living to my full potential. Awesome. So, and when would that be, Payal? What are you waiting for? Happy morning, Simran. Yes. Monica says, I'm magic. Are you using yourself? Are you actually using your capacities of magic, Monica? And are you creating enough from the magic you know, or are you creating the crap from the magic you know? So what else is possible? So Maddie says, Manish, Tanisha, right. I got it correct. Awesome. Thank you. So thanks, Manish, for you made my day. And what else is possible? How many more people want to date me? Come on, guys, let me know that too. I'm sure all the women too here want to date with me. I also I also would love that date with you guys. And what else is possible here? Yeah. So truth, what truth? So I was talking to one of my friends, and she's very beautiful. I just wanted to share that about the truth she got. She's like, you know, Aradhna, we think that she lost lot of weight, and she says, I did not really move my body much, and I have been Monica says me. Awesome. So it's like truth, which just says truth is everything is changeable, but mean and make it but make it reality at times. So awesome. So you don't change. Vijay, wait करो अभी बहुत सारा wait करो. So wait से मुझे याद आ रहा था. So this friend of mine, she said, I lost a lot of weight, and I did not really move much. And then I just said to her, I said, okay. And she asked me this question, what question did you post today? I said, on the tooth. She said, I've been asking this question. And suddenly I'm like, what do you know? And she just said, she says, and I just said, bodies love to move. She says, but bodies are already moving. I'm like, yeah, you go to the loo, you get up from the bed, or it's moving. She says, no, but the molecules are always moving. And my world was like, wow. I said, yeah, how much have we considered and we kind of projected and solidified our bodies as solid, and we never acknowledge that we are always moving. Earth is always moving, all the molecules are always moving, and everything is already changing. But we think we have to change. We think bodies have to move, the molecules have to move. So if molecules are moving, everything is moving, then what are you holding on to? What is creating your weight, and what truth are you unwilling to acknowledge, that if you actually acknowledge it, change your life in various ways that you can't even fathom? So just saying. So that was the aha moment I just wanted to share with everybody who has a weight issues, like, hey, body is already moving. So what if you start acknowledging what other movement does your body requires, and what else are you holding into your body to create the weight you're choosing? Umesh says, nobody would like to miss that me. Okay, you guys are me dating me. Oh, awesome. Yeah, sorry, I forgot that question. Yes, Asta, definitely. Yes, Umesh, definitely. Umesh, I date with you every day, but you have other girlfriends, so please take the permissions from them, otherwise I'll be killed. No one would like to miss that. Arpita, good morning. Good morning, Monica. So, wow, awesome. Hi, Xanena, good morning. So, what else is possible? So, what else do you know? What truths do you know? So, please be in this question. I really can't say about your truths, because your truth is going to be only your truth. So be in this question, what truth do you know that you are not living? Because this person, when shared her truth, really opened a very different window for me. And that is now when I get that, when Dr. Dane said to me that, you know what I know, then what do I do with your knowing? And I like, what the hell, what do I have to do here? And now I get it. When she shared with me that way, I was like, that's, unless what we know and we are not willing to acknowledge, and we're not willing to share with the world, we are not able to change the world. And we cannot change anything unless we acknowledge it and actually bring it out loud. But we are holding ourselves inside our truths, because we think we are the weird one, it's an odd one, nobody will bother, nobody is interested in my thought. And this is a very stupid thought. We have already concluded that thought and the truth we know is stupid, and everybody will laugh on us. And I guess that, and we do not want to be judged. That was the space and place I was functioning from too, that, what if in front of 200, 300 people, I go and say this, okay, I know this, and it might not sound stupid. And it's so weird that after a while, after 2-3 years, everything I knew started showing up in the classes. It started showing up in the classes. I'm like, shit, I knew this day one. But not that, had I said that day one, probably would have taken our classes to a very different level. But today, you get it when you get it. After 4 years, today for the first time, and she just said an experience, shared her knowing, I'm like, wow, how much we are holding this. And I said, I wish I had spoken out and not be, scared of my judgments, being judged, me being judged. I would have achieved far beyond into the reality until now, where I'm still lacking here. So now I'm become the opposite. I kind of say out everything. I have no barriers left. So my vulnerability is at the peak. So I'm willing to share and say any and everything at any platform, because this is who I be, what I be, and I'm not ashamed of you. I'm okay to be judged. And that's an interesting point of view, that people judge me. So just saying that if you are willing to show up, just show up, guys. Hi, Shivani. Good morning. Hello, Mona, darling. Good morning, sweetheart. Hi, Shivangi. Good morning. So that sounding stupid is what is intimidating me too from speaking out loud as well. I know, Asta. I know. Hi, Anisha. Good morning, sweetheart. So it's like, I totally get you, because I have been in those spaces and places where I was not, what if I If I say something and the opposite happens, they'll say, "Ye to, she's bekar. She doesn't even know anything." That kept me, stopping myself for the longest while. I had this awareness around the oneness day one of my life, and I had been making myself, I was like, no, this is weird. Nobody's talking about this. Nobody knows about consciousness. And nobody's talking about it. And I kept my mouth shut always. Because I thought I'll be judged, I'll be seen, and they're like, kya pagal wali baatein kar rahi hai? What the hell is she talking? And she doesn't really know anything. So, I didn't want to be stupid. I didn't want to be judged. But now I am. And I'm willing to make more money than God. Because when you're willing to be judged, you're going to be making more money. Maybe, it doesn't work for 10 people, but the 11th people might come and wake up and say, oh yeah, I know what you're saying. And even if nobody says what I know, but I know. And I trust myself. And that is where you build the baseline of yourself of trusting you. So just a choice, Asta. If you want to show up, show up. Otherwise, there's never going to be a day when you will not be scared of not being judged. So come on, say out your truth loud. Even if you want to say out loud or not say out loud, at least acknowledge it in your words. So everything that is stopping you, let go. And what truth do you know that you are not living? Come on, live it now. If not now, then when? If not now, then when? High Solution Healing join. So whoever this is, good morning from my end. Amrita, good morning. So guys, today's question I just repeated and I'll repeat it for you guys. It's truth. Truth, what do you know? Sorry. What do you know? Truth. What truth do you know that you're not living? So whoever joined, anybody wants to share, what truth do you know that you're not saying? Thank you so much for bringing this up. It's so relevant with me. And I am not able to speak up to be judged. Yes, Umesh, don't speak. Live like this. So are you have to be one to see another one. Hello. So what truth do you know that you're not living? If not now, then when? And is now the time for you to live? And what have you defined living as that you're not living? These are like, one question brings up another question in my world. I'm like, wow, what is that leading me to? What is that leading me? What if you can actually play from that space of wonderland and just wonder what life is all about? What have you defined if it was no definitions, no space? There is a truth that you know, and each one of us know, and what that is also not significant, but what if we keep living? So come on, देखी जाएगी यार, क्या judge हो जाओगे 4 लोगों से? This is such a big world. How many people will judge? So one of my friends asked, who are those 4 people you're really bothered about? And then I actually started looking and said, really? Am I really bothered about these 4 people? And those people, and it's the funniest is those 4 people are already judging you. So what are you scared of? So what are those 4 people you're scared of to be judged, Umesh? Or anybody, or Asta, or anybody, like, come on. I had the willingness to be the destructive. Yeah, so, okay. What if, somebody needs to be destructive also? If everybody is going to be creative, then how is the destruction going to happen? And how is the space for the new places going to be? Like, it's like how if something is not destroyed, something new cannot show up. So what if you're actually contributing to that scenario? So it's always like, how my clothes get spoiled, or my bag gets spoiled, or anything gets my, utensils get spoiled, then I have to buy them new. Unless they will not get old or they will not be destroyed, I cannot buy new. It's no fun, I won't have space. So everything has its own job. So be that job. Come on, don't give up your job. So Shikha says, what have you defined living as that you're not living? Thank you for that. Thank you for receiving it, Shikha. Beautiful. Awesome. Any other questions? Anything else I can contribute? And I'm starting with Talk to Entities. Hello, Dhruv Tiwari. Good morning. So thank you for joining me here, my sweetheart. So Dhruv Tiwari is my son, guys. He's here to listen to his mama. Mama does bug. He's like, why do people listen to you? But he also comes and joins me at times. Thanks, Dhruv. So Asta says, biggest judge is you yourself. That is myself. I fucking put that. Woof, done, gone. How does it get any better? Awesome. Yeah, true. So true. We are going to be judged either ways, manipulating ourselves only with that. Yeah. So what, because you're having ways in front of you, thinking that you're not judged, you're the most amazing person because you are unwilling to see the truth. You're unwilling to see the truth that people in front of you are actually judging you. Oh, that's so sweet of you, Mesh, saying hi to Dhruv. Thank you. So it's like, stop getting scared, yeah. When would you get up of stop being judged? And a world is परे से, इस जहाँ से परे भी एक जहाँ है जहाँ नूर ही नूर है. So that noor only lies when you just step ahead of beyond the judgment. And what fun can you add when you're being judged? Like these days I really have fun. Oh, so people have stopped. They really don't have anything to fight with me because I'm there like, you're this, you're this. I said, yeah, definitely I am this. Hey Dhruv, Asta says, hey Dhruv, did you get solidly to hear those black back 24/7? That back 24/7. How did you get solidly to hear them? He's grown up with that buck. Insane Joy joined us. Welcome, dear. To Asha, how did you get so lucky? Look, listen, Dhruv. Asta saying, how did you get so lucky to listen to my buck? Awesome. Thanks, Asta. Thanks for having my back. He's saying, believe me, it's fun. He definitely loves it. He just pretends that he doesn't love it. He loves to listen to my buck, but I'm sure nobody can resist me, yaar. I'm too sweet to be resisted. The luckiest boy around town. Wow. God, this has become my family talk, guys. Thank you so much for being here, and that's fun. So guys, stop judging yourself. Take the demon out of yourself. And I'm going to be starting my Talk to Entities class now. After this, anybody who wants to hop on for the intro can. You don't need any prerequisites for that. And the main class starts tomorrow. Even if you change your mind and you want to join it from tomorrow, you're most then welcome to join in. And what more buck can we do with the entities, and how much can we change our lives knowing about the entities? That's why he's here. Loves it. Yes, Sunena. That's what I get it. He's here and he always comes to support me. So I'm very grateful to him. Thank you. Thanks, Maddie. All right, totally, guys. Have a beautiful day ahead and keep rocking your worlds. Keep joining, keep playing, and keep asking the truth and start living the truth you are aware of today. Not today, all your life. Thank you all. See you. Thanks, Dhruv. Bye, all. Take care.